What's up everybody? XRD dark blue GT5 5 ports GT engine made by Sirio. I had a couple of Sirios a long time ago, about 20 years ago, and that wasn't a good experience. We'll see if this one makes me change my mind on Sirio engines. This is not my engine. This was sent to me by a friend. He started to break this engine in, but it kept flaming out and the piston getting stuck at top dead center. So I am going to break this engine in, but first I want to check the internals and the timing numbers. Here is the Sirio disassembled, and the first thing that I noticed is that it comes with a ceramic rear bearing and a silicone filled crankshaft. This is a 159 euros engine. That's about maybe $170 engine, and this is looking very nice for the price. Look at these cuts here, very nice cuts in the block. So we have a silicone filled crankshaft, 2 counterweights. You can see the Sirio logo just right there. I've never seen this before, but definitely not a bad idea. These are 3mm screws. Usually it's 2.5. So nice big cooling head with 9 fins and a bunch of holes. Turbo head, 0.25 shims. And the glow plug has no indication on the glow plug. Piston is looking perfect, and it's a machine piston. A very nice 5 ports sleeve, 3 ports exhaust, like all GT engines, on-road engines. I don't know why, but on-road engines, they always come with these 3 ports exhaust. Off-road engines, that's not the case anymore. I don't think that any brand is making this kind of exhaust ports on an off-road engine. This is my Pico Monza GT, and it also comes with this kind of exhaust port, as well as my R21 GT. I still have a couple of old off-road engines with this kind of exhaust port, like the Reds R5R. 5 ports, nice ports. Small fan here on the intake ports, and the cuts are decent. I wouldn't say great cuts, but yeah, let's say decent cuts. I have seen better before. It's not like super smooth. I am gladly surprised by the quality of this engine. I hope that it runs good, it tunes good. Very interesting. If I like it, I may buy one for myself, for my GT. XRD dark blue, 5 ports, 16.2 bore, 16.9 stroke, 14.2 millimeters shaft. I usually don't measure the shaft. Opening at 148, closing at 65, total 213. Blowdown 26, and exhaust size 8. The exhaust 8 is 68. Let's compare this to the Pico Monza 9 on-road engine and Pico Monza GT, the Maxi 5. This one has the lowest timing numbers, but not much lower than the Maxi 5. 148, 150, 213. Total slightly bigger exhaust port on the Maxi 5, higher blowdown. Pico Monza 9 has higher timing numbers. This is an on-road engine, GP engine, GT engine, super cheap GT engine, but decent numbers. I don't know how it's gonna tune. Like I said before, I had a bad experience with the Sirio engines. I don't know anything about this one, don't know how it tunes, but we'll see that very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon.